Hey fellow Nevillers, we've come to the end of Fawcett's Letter. What date was this? 1959 lecture. There's a wonderful part at the end, how Neville describes the world that we're walking in as the flame of experience. I made a post on this in the Facebook group I belong to, but I want to share it with you guys. So, let's dive in. He says, "You walk this world and you do not think you are in a fire, but this world is the fire. And when you come out, you are like a burnt offering in the hand of God. This world is the flame of experience. We are looking at different views, and I am here to encourage you to live nobly and be faithful to your dream that it may crystallise." Thank you, Neville. "These things are only to prove that you can create. Do not become lost in the thing you create." Neville tells us that many times. "Go back and create some more. My whole purpose is to tell you how wonderful you are. And if after the first night of this series you thought I was a dangerous man because I meant what I said, that God and man are one, well, it is what I have been sent to tell you. And may I also tell you that everyone who is sent is called a devil, and God loves every one of them." And then his famous line, "Now let us go into the silence." Depending on how much exposure you lovelies have had with Neville's works, you'll see that he refers to fire quite a few times. Generally, he's saying our world is fire, as in it's the flame of experience, and I'm sure you viewers can attest to that. I know I can. And that last part about Neville being called a devil by others, well, I'm not saying they did that in this audience, but he's sharing it because he's been called a devil previously. And I can share a personal share here. When I first bumped into Neville and his works, I was so flabbergasted about, oh my God, this really is the truth. And I shared it with what I thought was a close friend. And they called me a nut and a devil too. So be careful who you share this wisdom with, my lovelies. I have to be open-minded and be able to see more than the race mind, as we call it. All right, fellow Nevillers, thumbs up. Big fat kiss. The other lecture links are down there in the description. I've got some more to share with you, and I will be back tomorrow. Thanks for your time and attention, my lovelies. See you next time. Bye.